Hello students, my name is Kalyanima. I am working as a maths lecturer. Okay, today we are discussing about the straight lines. Very important chapter in the first year, intermediate first year, 1B related topic. Very important chapter. In the competitive purpose also very important. In the IP purpose they are given something. They are given one LAQ and one SAQ and 2 SAQs. Total 15 marks from this chapter. In the IP purpose also they are very important. In the competitive exams generally they are given 2 or 3 bits. 3 to sometimes they are given 4 bits also. Very important chapter in the first year. Okay. మెయిన్గా ఏంటంటే కాంపిటేటివ్ పర్పస్లో వెళ్దాము. సబ్జెక్ట్ని ఎప్పుడు కూడా మార్క్ బేస్డ్ చదవద్దమ్మా. మార్క్ బేస్డ్ చదవద్దు, కాన్సెప్ట్ ఓరియంటెడ్గా వెళ్ళండి. ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో మార్క్స్ 75కి ఈజీగా 70 క్రాస్ చేయొచ్చమ్మా. ఎందుకంటే 10th క్లాస్కి ఇంటర్మీడియట్కి చాలా డిఫరెంట్. 10th క్లాస్లో మీకు ఎక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుందో తెలియదు, ఏమీ తెలియదు. ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ జస్ట్ ఏదో కొన్ని ఇస్తారు, అవి వస్తాయో రావో తెలియదు. మనకి ఇంటర్మీడియట్కి అలా కాదమ్మా. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ మనం ఏవైతే ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తామో యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ బ్లూ ప్రింట్ వైజ్ మనకి ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వాళ్ళు ఒక బ్లూ ప్రింట్ ఇస్తారు. బ్లూ ప్రింట్ వైజ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ అవే ఎగ్జామ్స్లో వస్తాయి. మనకి ఇక్కడ మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడం చాలా ఈజీ. ఇంటర్మీడియట్లో చాలా చాలా ఈజీ. 70 క్రాస్ చేయడం అనేది అసలు డెడ్ ఈజీ అమ్మా. ఎందుకంటే జస్ట్ మేము ఏవైతే ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఏంటంటే నేను ఒక్కదాన్నే ఇస్తానని నేను చెప్తలేదు, కానీ జనరల్ ఎవరైనా సరే ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇచ్చినాం అవి ఏదైతే ఇస్తారో యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జామ్లో వస్తే సేమ్ అవి నేర్చుకొని మీరు తీసుకుంటే మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడం చాలా ఈజీ. కానీ అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను, సబ్జెక్ట్ని ఎప్పుడు కూడా మార్క్ బేస్డ్ కాకుండా కాన్సెప్ట్ బేస్డ్ వెళ్ళండి. కాన్సెప్ట్ బేస్డ్ వెళ్ళామంటే ఎనీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ మనం రాసుకున్నా కానీ ఫర్దర్ ఫ్యూచర్కి యూస్ అవుతుంది. మెయిన్గా అది నేను చెప్తుంది. ఓకే. కాంపిటేటివ్ పర్పస్లో జనరల్గా నెక్స్ట్ ఇవి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి కదా, మా ఎన్డీఏ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కానీ ఎంసెట్ రాసుకున్నా కానీ నెక్స్ట్ జేఈ మెయిన్స్ ఏది తీసుకున్నా కానీ 2-3 బిట్స్ అయితే కంపల్సరీ ఇస్తారనమాట. 3 or 4 బిట్స్ కూడా ఇస్తారు ఈ టాపిక్ నుండి. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. మెయిన్ ఈరోజు ఏంటంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి జస్ట్ రివైజ్ చేద్దాము. కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది ఐపీ పర్పస్లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది, అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం కాంపిటేటివ్ పర్పస్లో కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది అమ్మా. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్. లిజన్ దిస్. ఓకే. వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్ట్రైట్ లైన్? What is the straight line? Before that, let us take the 2 points AB. Okay. Now joining of these 2 points, AB gives the line segment. This is line segment. Okay, joining of these 2 points AB gives line segment. This line segment having both initial point and final point. This is a line segment. Line segment is generally denoted by like this, just line. Okay. Next, ray. Ray having only initial point. Ray having only initial point, no end point. This is a ray. Actually this ray is extended to infinite distance, up to infinite distance. This is a ray having only initial point, no end point. This is a ray. Next, straight line. This is a straight line. This straight line don't have any initial point and any final point. This straight line having infinite points but no initial point, no end point. So this is extended to infinite distance, both sides కూడా extended distance. ఎంత distance కావాలంటే అంత distance extend చేసుకుంటూ పోవచ్చు. That is called a straight line. Okay. Ray having only initial point but straight line don't have any initial point and final point. That is a straight line. Line segment having both initial point and final point. Okay, that is a line segment. Ray having only initial point and the straight line don't have any initial and final point. Straight line is general equation of the straight line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general equation of the straight line. This is the general equation of the straight line. ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of the straight line. Okay, line segment, I repeat one more time. Our line segment having initial point and final point. Okay, line segment is just denoted by like this. Ray having initial point, no end point. It is extended to infinite distance, one side only. Straight line don't have any initial point and final point. It is extended to infinite distance on both sides. This is the straight line. General equation of the straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of the straight line. Okay. Now we'll start with the slope. What is the slope? What is the slope? What is the slope? Before that, what is the inclination? Before that, slope kanna kuda before inclination. What is the definition of the inclination? Let us discuss about this inclination. Okay. In the 10th class, we have the coordinate geometry. In the coordinate geometry, already we have the coordinate system is x-axis, y-axis. This is x dash is the x-axis, and y dash is y-axis. X-axis is called horizontal line and y-axis is called vertical line. Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is origin. Origin is generally denoted by 0, 0. Okay, already we know that in the 10th class, meevanni kuda manaki 10th class lo telusu. X-axis is horizontal line and y-axis is a vertical line. Okay, what is the inclination? For the inclination, let us take the one straight line. This straight line intercepts the x-axis. Something intercept cheskuntu veltunamma. Okay, this straight line intersects the x-axis. This line makes an angle theta. This is a straight line. This straight line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis means anti-clockwise direction. This is a line which makes an angle theta. With the positive direction of x-axis is called inclination. This is called inclination. Inclination. I repeat one more time. This is a line which makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. X-axis the angle చేస్తుంది కదా ఏది పడితే అది తీసుకోవద్దమ్మా. Theta is always in between 0 less than or equal to theta less than 180 degrees only. Theta is always in between 0 to 180. ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే 180 అంటే 180 ప్లస్ వస్తుందమ్మా. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్. Straight angle means up to this is only 180 degrees. 180 plus వస్తుంది. Don't take this angle. Is inclination. Inclination is nothing but the angle. This is a which makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis means anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. This is a clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction అంటే downward ఉంటుంది. Anti-clockwise direction అంటే reverse upward ఉంటుంది. This is the anti-clockwise direction. ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా టీటా యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది కదా x-axis, ఇది కూడా అవుతుందా అంటే అవ్వదు. డోంట్ టేక్ దిస్. ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇంక్లినేషన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఇంక్లినేషన్. ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ అ పాజిటివ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ x-axis. యాంటీ-క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్ మీన్స్ యాంటీ-క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. యాంటీ-క్లాక్వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్లో ఉన్నదే తీసుకోవాలమ్మా, ఇది తీసుకోవద్దు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంక్లినేషన్. హియర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఇంక్లినేషన్ అండ్ ఇంక్లినేషన్ ఆఫ్ tan theta. And inclination of tan theta, that means apply the tan to this angle, that is a tan theta. Tan theta is called slope. Tan theta is called slope. Okay, theta is the inclination and apply the tan to this inclination, that is a tan theta is called slope. Slope is generally denoted by m. Slope is generally denoted by m. Therefore m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta is the slope of this line. Slope of this line. Okay, this line, this straight line intersects the x-axis. Something. This line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction means anti-clockwise direction. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండమ్మా, anti-clockwise direction అంటే రివర్స్ ఇలానే ఉండాలి, ఇలా తీసుకోవద్దు. అలాగే ఆల్వేస్ theta is always angle is in between 0 to 180 only. 0కి 180కి మిడిల్లోనే ఉండాలి. So this is the inclination and inclination of tan theta. That means apply tan to this angle, that is called slope. Slope is generally denoted by m. M equal to tan theta is the slope of this line. Here I am writing the definition. Slope. Slope. A line means straight line. Makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis is called inclination. Inclination is called inclination. And inclination of tan theta is called slope. And inclination of tan theta is called slope. Okay. Slope is generally denoted by m. Slope is generally denoted by m. Okay. Therefore, m equal to tan theta is the slope of this line when inclination is given. Therefore, m equal to tan theta is the slope of this line when inclination theta is given. Okay, this is about the inclination. Inclination theta is given. Something. Suppose this theta, I am giving an example here. Suppose theta is equal to 45 degrees is given. This theta equal to 45 degrees. Now, what is the slope of this line? Here applying the formula m equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. That is m equal to theta is equal to 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is what? 1. Therefore, m equal to 1. Slope of this line is 1. Okay. Here I am taking one more line parallel to this straight line. Here I am taking one more line. Here this is a one more line parallel to this line. Any two lines are parallel, inclinations are same. Here also same theta. Suppose this is the theta equal to 45 degrees. Here also makes equal angles, tan theta equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, slope of this line is equal to m equal to tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to what? 1. So, slope of this line is also 1. Slope of this line is also 1. Slope of this line is 1 and one more, this is the slope, and slope of this line is also 1. These two lines are parallel. Here we are observing one point, that is any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Okay. Here we are observing one more most important point, that is any two lines are parallel. Their inclinations are equal. Therefore, slopes are equal. So, any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Okay, that is the next point. Any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Okay. Next, and when 2 points are given, this is about the inclination. Up to this is the clear. Okay. Next we take one more straight line. This is a straight line. This line having 2 points, capital A, something point x1 comma y1 and capital B, x2 comma y2 are the 2 points on the straight line. Capital A, x1, y1 and capital B, x2, y2 are the 2 points on the straight line. Then slope m is equal to, we have the formula, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Or this can be written as y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. This is the difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinate. Difference means take the subtraction. Difference of y coordinates by difference of the x coordinate, that is the slope. That is here when 2 points are given. When 2 points are given, slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is about the slope. That is a straight line having slope, a straight line having points capital A, x1, y1 and capital B, x2, y2, then slope m is equal to, formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or otherwise we take like this also ma, that is y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. This is the slope when 2 points are given. A line having the 2 points capital A, x1, y1 and capital B, x2, y2, then m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. This is about the slopes. Next ma, already we know that the general equation of the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given. General equation of the straight line is given. What is the slope of that line? Equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 having slope m is equal to, the straight line is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 having slope m is equal to, that is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. That is minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus x coefficient means here x coefficient is a, y coefficient is b, that is minus a by b. This is about the slopes ma. Next, what is the slope of x axis? What is the slope of y axis? That is also we discuss you later. Next, this is about the slopes. I repeat one more time. Line segment means a line having both initial point and final point. That is called line segment. Ray, a ray having only initial point, no end point. This is a ray. Straight line don't have any initial point and final point. That is about the straight line. A general equation of the straight line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general equation of the straight line. Okay, this is about the straight line. Next, come to the slope. Slope means before that we need inclination. What is the inclination? A line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis means anti-clockwise direction lone teesukovalani cheptunnaru. This is a clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. Theta is always in between 0 less than theta less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to theta less than 180 mm. Theta is always in between 0 to 180. Okay, that is the inclination, and inclination of tan theta is called slope. Slope is generally denoted by m. Therefore, m equal to tan theta is the slope of this line. Next, any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Why? Because any two lines are parallel, their inclinations are also equal. Therefore, any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Okay. Next, a line having 2 points, capital A x1 y1, capital B x2 y2. Then slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Next, general equation of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given. Slope m is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. This is about the slopes. Next, we are discussing about the slope of x-axis and the slope of y-axis. Next point. What is the slope of x-axis? What is the slope of y-axis? Here I am taking the coordinate system. This is x-axis, y-axis, x dash and y dash. This is the coordinate system. What is the slope of x-axis? What is the slope of y-axis? Okay. any line coincide with x-axis. Any line coincide. This is a one more line coincide with x-axis. Here inclination theta is equal to what, ma? Inclination theta is, there is no intersection here. There is no intersection. So there is no angle, ma. So theta equal to 0 degrees. Theta equal to 0 degrees. Therefore, we now have the formula m equal to tan theta. Tan theta equal to what, ma? 0 degrees. Okay. Theta equal to tan 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 0. I repeat one more time. This is x-axis, ma. One more straight line coincide with x-axis. Here inclination theta is equal to, there is no intersection here. There is no intersection. That means inclination theta equal to 0. X-axis ఏమైనా కట్ చేస్తుంటేనే కదా యాంగిల్ వచ్చేది. x-axis ఏమైనా యాంగిల్ వస్తుందో రాదు. సో theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0 means we have the formula when inclination theta is given. M equal to tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 0. Similarly, slope of y-axis is, what is the slope of y-axis? This is a y-axis. One more line coincide with y-axis. Angle between x-axis and y-axis, these two lines are perpendicular. Already we know that this is the angle that is a 90 degrees. Here inclination theta is equal to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Therefore, m equal to tan 90. Tan 90 is how much? Undefined. 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 So, slope of y-axis is undefined. Slope of y-axis is undefined. Slope of x-axis is 0 and slope of y-axis is undefined. Next, one more. Slope of any line parallel to x-axis is what? Any, already we know that any two lines are parallel. Slopes are equal. This is a line parallel to x-axis. Slope of x-axis is same as slope of this line. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. So, slope of any line parallel to x-axis is also 0. Okay. Similarly, slope of any line parallel to y-axis is also infinite. Why? Because slope of y-axis is undefined or infinite. That means these two lines are parallel. Slope of any line parallel to y-axis is also undefined. Okay. This is about the slopes. Here I am writing the slopes. About the slopes. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of x-axis is 0. Why? Because here inclination theta is 0. There is no inclination. There is no intersection. Intersection anede lekapothe angle anede undadu manaku. So, inclination theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0 means tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 0. Similarly, slope of any line parallel to x-axis. Any line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis is equal to 0. Already we know that any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. These two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of this line is also 0. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. Okay. Slope of any line parallel to x-axis is also 0. Similarly, slope of y-axis. What is the slope of y-axis? Slope of y-axis, here inclination is 90 degrees. M equal to tan 90. Tan 90 is undefined. Undefined. Similarly, slope of any line parallel to y-axis is also undefined. Okay. This is about the slopes in the straight lines. Okay. Any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis is undefined. Slope of any line parallel to x-axis is also 0. Why? Because any two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Slope of y-axis is undefined. Slope of any line parallel to y-axis is also undefined. This is about the slopes. మీకు ఇంకా కూడా ఫర్దర్గా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా మెసేజ్ పెట్టండమ్మా. ఈ స్లోప్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గురించి ఏదైనా పర్వాలేదు, మెసేజ్ పెడితే నేను ఖచ్చితంగా రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.